Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to withdraw from Bybit. Alright, let's begin. First of all, open the Bybit app on your mobile device and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. After that, sign into your account and you will be redirected to the home page. Now you can see that I'm in the assets section, and here all of your available assets will be displayed. Once you are on this page, tap on this transfer icon and then the transfer page will open up. Now it is necessary to have the withdrawal amount in your funding wallet, but if you haven't transferred yet, you can follow these steps. Simply, inside this page, you just need to tap on this interchange button and deposit the required amount. For that, select the preferred currency, enter the required amount and tap on the confirm button. Once the assets are in the funding wallet, go back one step and navigate to the app's homepage. Here, tap on the More icon and then select P2P Trading. Now, go to the Sell tab, select the preferred payment method, and then choose the seller that meets your requirements. Once you found a seller, tap on the Sell button and enter the amount. Once done, select the payment method and tap on the Sell button to proceed with it. After that, you will receive the payment in your account and then you can release the crypto from here. So that's basically how you can withdraw from Bybit. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.